G'day guys, welcome back to Mango Invest. In this video, we're going to break down all the dividends that I received in the month of May 2023. Fairly big month, which is good. It's only growing over time. You can see that linear increase every single month. But we'll just kick it off with the portfolio summary. So we've currently got $273,000 USD, with a total profit of just over $17,000 so far. The cash position is sitting at $26.02 with a recent dividend that I received yesterday. If you did want to kickstart your investing journey and you want to sign up with Stake, that's the investing platform that I use. You can use the code ChrisM965 when you're signing up, and you'll get a free stock. I'll get a free stock. You know, it's free money. Why wouldn't you do it? But moving over to all the dividends that I've received over the last month. So on the 1st of May, we received a dividend from LTC of $54.55. And then on the same day, SPHD gave me $30.05. The next day, on the 2nd of May, AT&T, the teleco company, gave me $77.73. As JP Morgan, the big US bank, gave me $71.21. QILD, a covered call ETF fund, gave me $86.61. And JEPI, one of the bigger companies with all the ETFs within my portfolio, it's another covered call ETF. They gave me just under $150. I've just recently added another, $12,000 into this company. So the payments from now on, so from next month and from now on, are going to be, upwards of, $250 to $300 every single month. So wait out for next month's video summarizing all the dividends. It's going to be a pretty big one. AGNC, okay, a real estate investment trust, $118 for that one, which is another sort of, bigger position within the portfolio. On the 16th of May, Realty Income Corporation paid me $81.49. On the 10th, Apple paid me $35.33. Right, the last dividend for the month was SPHD, and they gave me $30.61 there. Right, so moving over to the spreadsheet, this is where I track all the dividends. So if you're new to the channel, I just manually input all the dividends that I received every single month into this spreadsheet here, and then it just formulates, the monthly dividends and all the, the average yearly income and also the average monthly income there. So we'll just see how this month's May dividends have compared to like the previous years. So the first May was in 2020. All right, as you see there, we received $177.34. If we fast forward to the next year, being May of 2021, okay, it wasn't even all that much. Okay, it was only $184. And then in May of 2022, it bumped up a little bit. Okay, so $386. But the big increase is from this year. So in the month of May of 2023, we've gone from $386, right, all the way to $734, right, which is just incredible. So it's good to see those dividends increasing over time. And this is the monthly, the average yearly income. So on a rough sort of basis, we're looking at, just over $10,000 per year. All right, and then when on the average monthly income, we're looking at around $840 per month. But if we were to switch over to track your dividends, just to show you the future dividends or the upcoming dividends that we may receive. But just quickly, here's the portfolio through track your dividends. So we've got like a yield on cost of just over 5%, and with a forecasted annual income of just under $13,000. But if we click up top here to the upcoming dividends, all right, these are all the dividends that I'll be likely to receive in June. So over here, it's just got over $1,000, and this was due to me putting extra money into JEPI and a couple other dividend-paying companies. And then that's only going to increase through to July, where we're forecasted to get just under $1,200. Right, moving over to the future values tab here. Okay, so this is assuming I'm not inputting any more money, throughout, the next 10 years. It's just going to grow, under its own momentum with reinvesting the dividends. So as you can see here, so in 2023, the average annual income is just over $13,000. You fast forward that 5 years, and you've got just under $23,000. And at the 10-year mark, the annual income is sitting at $36,000. But with my portfolio, I sort of regularly invest a lot, and I've got a bit of a higher growth rate than 6.34%. So let's just go, we've got like an 8% dividend growth rate. The price appreciation, I don't really care about that because I'm here for the dividends, not necessarily the stock price. The annual contributions, now I'm investing at least $1,000 every single month. Now that's being quite conservative. I generally invest a little bit more, but we're going to put in $12,000 for the entire year, being $1,000 a month, with a maximum dividend yield of 10%. Okay, so we're just going to update this chart here, and we're going to see how much it actually changes the value here. So the first year of 2023, okay, it's looking the same, being 13 or just under $14,000. If we fast forward to 2028, okay, a massive increase there. So I was sitting at $22,000 before, okay, but with all the contributions that we've been making, it's going to be looking at $30,000 every single year. And just remember, this is all US currency as well. So when you convert that to Australian currency, you're looking at, like $45,000 every single year. Fast forward to the 10-year mark, all right, $56,000 every single year. So that's the path that we're heading down. If we were to just keep contributing and reinvesting those dividends, as we see here, we've seen like a massive, sort of increase over time, and those dividends just keep rising, which is really exciting. So if you did like the content, make sure you thumbs up and subscribe. It really helps out the channel, and you can stick with me on this investing journey. This is the road to get to $1 million within the portfolio. All right, but it's also the road to get as many dividends every single month as we can, just so we can retire early and enjoy life the way we want to. Okay, so cool guys, that's the end of the video. Okay, make sure you do like it, subscribe. Okay, and I'll catch you next time.